WORX stock analysis. Is this thing really a buy or not? I'm going to show you all this in this very short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. I mean, as the guy who has done 40,000 videos and actually documented them all with proof, this is not something that I'm looking at and saying like it's a buy, guys. It's a great buy, even though it went up like 10% today. I mean, people are going to come out here just add some all sorts of like random stuff, but man, like, yeah, I saw this on the like left side. This is still pretty bearish, and I mean, to not make this thing any longer, man, like this is not something that I'm looking at and saying, bro, I'm amazed. Does it have potential to be some sort of like a squeeze or something? Yeah, sure. I mean, everything has potential, but unless I see that like real breaks, real power behind it, I'm not gonna look at this and be like, bye. No. So staying away from it. If you want to learn how I'm consistently generating 5 to 10K per month with indicators, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I will continue to keep you updated. Goodbye and enjoy.